Speedbird 851, turn right heading 180. Order 14 Papa, turn right 245, report localizer established.
Hi everyone, I'm DJ's Aviation and I'd like to welcome you all to this video. In this video, I'll be discussing the 777X. Now for Boeing fanatics out there, tomorrow's video will also be on the 777X, so I do hope you enjoy that and this video. Today our news is pretty exciting even for someone who is not the biggest Boeing fan. The manufacturer released some pictures today which revealed the new 777X, specifically the 777-9 as pictures depict it being put together in the factory. The very first flight is penciled in for Q2 or the second quarter of 2019, which is pretty much exactly a year away. And this may seem like quite a while, but you'll find time will pass very quickly and soon we will be at the first flight. This video honestly isn't going to be a long one, so for anyone who is interested in learning a bit more about the 777X, I'd encourage you to stay as I'm going to go over quite briefly the main points. The new 777X will feature two variants, the 777-8 and the 777-9. Now what I'm going to do is briefly cover the -8. The key points of the -8 are as follows. It's the shorter variant of the 777X series, coming in at 69.8 meters in length. It's set to seat in a two-class configuration around 365 passengers. The -8 will also have a range of 16,110 kilometers. The wingspan when in flight will be 71.8 meters, and thanks to the new folding wingtip feature, it'll reduce to 64.8 meters when on the ground. The -9, the aircraft you have seen throughout this video on your screen, is capable of seating 414 passengers in a two-class configuration. The aircraft has a range of 14,075 kilometers, and finally the wingspan is exactly the same as the 777-8. Throughout this segment I've included a visual representation for you throughout, and I hope that was helpful to you. This will conclude the video. I do hope you all enjoyed it, and I do hope to see you all in the next one.